This tutorial is about creating a game using our sequences template. First, I go to my Create dashboard. Then I click on Create a new BrainRush. This page is where I can select my template. I choose Sequences by clicking here. Then I enter my title. Having a descriptive title is useful because it informs others what my game is about. To begin, I need to add a question. The question is the sequence's prompt. It tells the learner what to do. My first sequence is going to be to spell the word apple, so my question is going to be a picture of an apple, as well as an audio file that says the word apple. I've already saved these two things to my desktop, and I upload them by clicking Choose File. Success audio is the sound that plays once a question is answered correctly. It's not needed in all cases, but for spelling it's useful to hear the word spelled out, A-P-P-L-E, apple. So I'm going to upload an audio file that does just that. Once I have everything, I click Save. Now that my question is created, I need to create tiles. If I want all 26 letters of the alphabet or numbers and math symbols, I can click on one of these buttons, and what it'll do is automatically populate those tiles for me. For my game, however, I'm just going to use the letters that spell apple because this is a lower level game and I don't want to give the students too many choices. So I manually enter in those tiles one by clicking New Tile and typing in the letters that I need. A tile can be used in a sequence more than once, and since P is used twice in apple, I only need to enter it in once here. Tiles can also have images and audio if necessary. I can also add distractor tiles that won't be used in the sequence. So I'm going to add the letter B, even though it's not used in apple, but it'll increase the challenge level a bit for the kids that play this game. Then I drag the tiles to this space in the correct order. The last step is to randomize the choice tiles down here because you don't want them in the correct order as what's up here. There's two ways to do this. One is to click on Randomize Tile Order. The second way is to click Edit for the individual tiles and change the display order if you want them in a specific order. For my purposes, I'm just going to click on Randomize. And now that it's randomized and my sequence is correctly ordered up here, I'm going to click on Finished. And it'll take me back to the sequences creation page where then I can add additional questions. Once I add enough sequences to my game, I want to add a thumbnail image as well as tags to help others find my game easily. And then I can hit Publish. And this is how you create a sequences game.